is a spotted jellyfish. Hello, little ocean adventurers! The spotted jellyfish is a gentle creature with a see-through body covered in white spots. You can find a spotted jellyfish in warm seas near Australia, Japan, and Indonesia. This spotted jellyfish eats plankton and tiny plants floating in the water. It can live about 1 year. A spotted jellyfish loves to drift slowly with the waves. Kids, remember the spotted jellyfish because it looks magical, peaceful, and shines like a floating umbrella. This is a tiger. Hello, jungle friends. Let's meet the tiger, the biggest cat in the world. The tiger lives in forests and grasslands of countries like India, Russia, and Thailand. This strong hunter eats deer, wild pigs, and sometimes fish. A tiger can live about 15 to 20 years and loves to swim, unlike most cats. Did you know each tiger has stripes that are different? Just like our fingerprints? That makes every tiger unique and special. This is a Moorish idol.
Hello, ocean explorers. The Moorish idol is a beautiful tropical fish with bold black, white, and yellow stripes. You can find Moorish idol in the warm waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, especially near coral reefs in countries like Hawaii, Japan, and Indonesia. A Moorish idol enjoys eating sponges, corals, and small invertebrates. They usually live about 5 to 7 years. Moorish idol love swimming gracefully in pairs or small groups, making them one of the most eye-catching reef fish.
This is a alligator snapping turtle. Hey, little adventurers! The alligator snapping turtle is one of the biggest freshwater turtles in the world. You can find alligator snapping turtle in rivers, lakes, and swamps of the United States, especially in the Southeast. An alligator snapping turtle eats fish, frogs, plants, and sometimes small animals. They can live more than 50 years. Alligator snapping turtle enjoy resting underwater, opening their big mouths to catch food and using their strong shells for protection. They are tough and amazing. This is a brown crab. Hello, little sea explorers. Today we meet the brown crab, a strong crab with big claws. The brown crab lives in the cold waters near countries like the United Kingdom, France, and Norway. It loves to eat mussels, worms, and small fish. While walking along the seafloor, the brown crab can live up to 20 years and enjoys hiding under rocks. Isn't the brown crab an interesting and tough little friend from the ocean? This is a elephant. Wow, friends, the elephant is the largest land animal in the world. You can find elephant in countries across Africa and Asia, living in grasslands, forests, and near rivers. An elephant loves to eat grass, leaves, fruit, and even tree bark. They can live up to 60 or 70 years. Elephants enjoy traveling in big family groups, playing in water, and using their trunks to grab food. They are strong, gentle, and very smart animals. This is a ladybug. Hello, tiny explorers. The ladybug is a small insect with a round body and bright red wings covered in black spots. You can find ladybug in gardens, parks, and forests all over the world. A ladybug enjoys eating aphids, tiny bugs, and sometimes plants. They usually live about 1 to 2 years. Ladybug love flying from leaf to leaf, resting in sunny places and helping plants grow healthier. They are colorful, helpful, and super cute little friends.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Who has one big claw and loves the beach? It's the funny fiddler crab. These tiny crabs live in muddy shores and sandy beaches near the ocean in places like the United States, Australia, and Southeast Asia. The fiddler crab eats algae, bacteria, and tiny bits of food from the mud. A fiddler crab can live up to 2 and 3 years and loves waving its big claw to say hello or find a mate. So silly and fun. Dee-pa-pa. This is a cobra. Watch out, jungle explorers! The cobra is a long snake famous for raising its hood when it feels scared. You can find cobra in many countries across Asia and Africa, living in forests, grasslands, and even near villages. A cobra enjoys eating frogs, birds, eggs, and small animals. They usually live about 20 years. Cobra love hiding in tall grass, hunting quietly at night, and using their sharp senses to find food. They are powerful, mysterious, and very fascinating reptiles. This is a polar bear. Hello, snowy adventurers. Today we meet the polar bear, the biggest bear in the world. The polar bear lives in the Arctic, near countries like Canada, Russia, and Greenland. This strong animal loves to eat seals and fish, and it can swim for many miles in cold water. A polar bear can live about 25 to 30 years. Did you know the polar bear has thick fur and a layer of fat to stay warm in icy places? This is a eagle. Look up, little explorers. The eagle is a strong bird with sharp eyes and wide wings. You can find eagle in many countries across North America, Europe, Asia, and even parts of Africa. An eagle enjoys eating fish, small mammals, and sometimes other birds. They can live about 20 to 30 years. Eagle love flying high in the sky, building big nests on tall trees, and watching everything below. They are brave, powerful, and very smart hunters. This is a Oarfish. Well, ocean explorers, let's meet the oarfish, one of the longest fish in the world. The oarfish lives deep in the oceans near Japan, Chile, and the United States. This mysterious creature eats tiny shrimp, krill, and small fish. An oarfish can live about 20 years and can grow longer than a school bus. Sometimes the oarfish slowly rises to the surface, surprising people with its shiny silver body and red fins. This is a axolotl. Hi, curious friends. Let's meet the axolotl, a super cute animal sometimes called the Mexican walking fish. The axolotl lives in lakes near Mexico City, especially Lake Xochimilco. This little creature eats worms, insects, and small fish. An axolotl can live about 10 to 15 years and loves to stay underwater all its life. Did you know the axolotl can regrow legs, tail, and even parts of its body? That makes the axolotl really magical. Hey, little adventurers, let's meet the walrus, a giant animal with long tusks and whiskers. The walrus lives in the Arctic Ocean, near Canada, Russia, and Greenland. This big buddy loves to eat clams, snails, and shrimp. A walrus can live about 40 years and spends lots of time resting on ice or beaches. Did you know the walrus uses its tusks to climb out of the water? That makes the walrus super special. This is a warthog! Hello, safari friends! The warthog is a wild pig with big tusks and a funny face. You can find a warthog in the grasslands and savannas of Africa. A warthog enjoys eating grass, roots, berries, and sometimes small insects. They usually live about 10 to 15 years. Warthog love digging burrows to sleep in, running fast with their tails up, and living in small family groups. They are tough, brave, and very interesting animals to watch in the wild.